statements what we studied, we can convert those statements. Which are the convertible statements? How we can convert? Conversion. Conversion. How we can convert? A-type statement we can convert into I. How we can convert that we can tell you. That I can tell you that A-can statement, basically we have to know what when an A-type statement convert, what we will get an I-type statement. When E-type statement we are converting, we get an E itself. I-type statement we are converting I itself. O-type we cannot convert. We cannot convert an O-type statement. A positive statement when we are converting, definitely the solution will be a positive conclusion. A positive statement when we are converting, definitely the conclusion will be a positive conclusion. A-type a positive I. E-type a negative statement when we are converting, definitely that negative conclusion. E-type negative, therefore when E-type we are converting, we are getting the same E. I-type when I am converting I-type, I will get I itself. O-type cannot be converted. O-type cannot be converted. Similarly, never an A-type statement can convert to another A. Never, never. This will be wrong. This will be wrong. A-type never can convert to an A-type. A-type only convert to I-type. Okay. And what exactly the conversion? What is the meaning of conversion? That I can tell you. Example I can write you. So the same example, all what we studied earlier. All cats are dogs. All cats are dogs. When we are converting, definitely that A-type we can convert to I. Subject and predicate we have to interchange. For converting, we have to interchange subject and predicate. A-type statement, what exactly the format after conversion? I-type. I-type, how it begins? Some. It begins some. Subject and predicate we have to convert. That means some interchange. Some dogs are cats. And all cats are dogs. An A-type statement when we are converting, we have to get I. Therefore we have to start from some. How we have to convert? Subject and predicate we have to interchange. All cats are dogs. When we are interchanging, some dogs are cats. The format should be based on some. It starts with some based on some. Some dogs are cats. Since it is an I-type statement, I-type can again convert to I. This is an I-type statement. When we are converting I-type statement, we can convert to another I. Some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Therefore, an A-type statement and all cats are dogs, an A-type statement. When we are converting, we are getting these two. First one, all cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. Very simply, we can present that. Need not write anything. After getting the idea, very simply, even an A-type statement are getting directly that we can convert to all cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. Any one of the conclusion you can take, you can accept. All cats are dogs. Definitely, since the statement is positive, conclusion should be positive. All cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. Any of the conclusion you can take. Initially, for getting the base, we have to write all these things and everything. Then after, very simply that we will get it. Therefore, never you use all cats are dogs. Therefore, all dogs are cats. Never you use. All cats are dogs. Therefore, all dogs are cats. Never you use. Only you can use all cats are dogs. You can use some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. This two, any one of these two. Some dogs are cats, some cats are dogs. Any one of these you can do. When an A-type statement, definitely you are getting two conclusions. 1, 2. When an A-type statement you are getting, you can find two conclusions. All cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. That is the only two conclusions you can arrive from the from an A-type statement. Okay. Then an E-type statement. E-type statement. Example E-type. No. It starts no. No cats are dogs. no cats are dogs. E-type statement we can convert to E. E-type statement we can convert to E. That is, no dogs are cats. No dogs are cats. You have to inverse that. You have to reverse. No cats are dogs. No dogs are cats. Very simply, E can convert to E. A negative statement we have to convert to only as negative. When a negative statement is getting, we can convert only as negative. That is, no cats are dogs, a negative statement, we can go to no dogs are cats. That is the first conclusion. When? What are the other one? Two conclusions also can be satisfied. That is, no means entire or not. No means entire or not. But the net result is no. Together we can use another negative. Some cats are not dogs. Some cats are not dogs. No cats are dogs. Entire are not. But some cats are not dogs. Partially not. Definitely this will satisfy in the first one. Some cats are not, answer is no. Here also no cats are dogs, answer is no. Therefore this can include the first one. When you are getting no cats are dogs, always you can use some cats are not. Some not is the character. Some not is the specification. Some not. Some not you can use. When no is there, always you can use some not also together with the same. Similarly, this also some dogs are not cats. When you are converting no cats are dogs, we can convert no dogs are cats. No dogs are cats. From this we can convert some dogs are not cats, some cats are not dogs. That also we are arriving. Some dogs are not cats. When a statement is getting that no dogs are cats, we can conclude into three conclusions. No dogs are cats. 2. Some cats are not dogs. 3. Some dogs are not cats. When you are getting an E-type statement, you are getting three conclusions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No cats are dogs. Very simply you can arrive. No dogs are cats. 1. Some cats are not dogs. 2. Some dogs are not cats. 3. These are the three conclusions. Maximum possible conclusions, probable conclusions you can arrive from this one. An E-type statement, no cats are dogs. You can arrive, no dogs are cats. 1. Some cats are not dogs. 2. Some dogs are not cats. 3. From this statement, we can arrive these 3. No cats are dogs. No dogs are cats. 1. Some cats are not dogs. Some dogs are not cats. All the three conclusions are negative. Always when a negative conclusion is converting, after the conversion we are getting only three conclusions. That three conclusions will be always negative, should negative. Okay. This is the second type. E-type we can convert into 3. Then I-type. I-type statement we can convert into I. Example. Some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Then I-type we can convert into I. That means we can interchange. Some dogs are cats. That only. When we are converting an I-type statement, we are getting one I-type only. That some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. A-type we are getting 2 conclusions. E-type we are getting 3 conclusions. I-type we are getting 1 conclusions. O-type cannot be converted. We can never convert an O-type statement. That means that I can show you. So example, we can write the example. O-type. Some cats are not dogs. Never we will convert some dogs are not cats. Some cats are not dog. Never we will write some Dogs are not cats. When an E-type statement, we can write both these. When an E-type statement itself an E-type. No cats are dogs. From there we can arrive, no dogs are cats, some cats are not dogs, some dogs are not cats. These three that we can conclude. But when an O-type statement, directly a statement is an O-type, never we have to convert. Never we have to convert. That means some cats are not dogs. No, never we can convert. Therefore, some cats are not dogs cannot be converted. Never use some dogs are not cats is right. Never. Okay. These are the areas A, E, I, U, three conclusions. When A type is converting, we are getting 2. E type is converting, we have to convert to 3. And I type is converting, we are getting 1. Then you can remember all these things that A type. What exactly A type? On. E type. What exactly E type? No. I type. Some. O type. Some not. Then which are the convertible statements? A type can convert to I. E type we can convert to E. I type we can convert to I. I. Same. A only when we are converting, never getting an A. Instead of A converting, we are getting I. When an A type statement converting, we are getting 2 conclusions. All cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. When an E type statement, no cats are dogs. Very simply we can arrive, no dogs are cats, some cats are not dogs, some dogs are not cats. 3 conclusions we can reach. When an I type, we are getting only 1. Some cats are dogs. What exactly? Some dogs are cats. O type cannot be converted. Never you convert an O type statement to another. Okay. This is the conversion part. When a statement we are getting, we can convert into these forms. This is the conversion part. Next session, combination. That I can teach you the next class. Combination. Basic thing that for conversion is the basic factor for everything. When clarity regarding conversion, for other section, next session should be very simple, no doubt. Next session should be very simple. Therefore, you have to verify all these things and have to get a clear clarity regarding all these things. Then we can go to the next class, combination. Okay, thank you.